And we're gonna make a roasted corn, pepper, and black bean salsa. And we're fixing to roast this off in the oven, y'all. The fresh corn, the tomatoes, and the poblano peppers.
Just want me to line them up?
Yeah, just line them up, and then we're gonna throw them in a hot oven, you know, just until they kind of blister up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Salsa is something that you can make at the house that is so good, and I love to make it.
All right, and then, son, if you will finish cutting that corn off the cob.
Let me get these in the oven.
Okay.
Here our corn.
I hear our corn. We got popcorn. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that is some popping corn. Ow!
It's a fiesta.
Oh. Whoa.
Are you okay?
Yes, it just scared the mess out of me. So our tomatoes and our poblano peppers have blistered up. Corn's all popped.
Well, I'm taking these peppers that we blistered in our tomatoes, and I'm going to be chopping all this up for our salsa.
And how's it coming down there, son?
Salsa is one of my favorite things to do at the house, and you can buy a salsa, but if you make it yourself, you can make it any flavor you want. It can be hotter, or you can even make it sweet. And what we're using today, all these beautiful roasted vegetables are going to give it a really big flavor, and some you can't find in a bottle. Okay.
All right, son, what can I help you with?
I've got my tomatoes going here, Mama. If you would, take 1 clove of garlic.
Okay, I will mince your garlic for you.
Okay, I've got our scallions, our peppers, our tomatoes, and our corn.
Okay, there's
you
your
got
garlic.
The garlic. Everything's going in
And I
here.
have a feeling...
I'm gonna add our corn. Now look, Mama, I've got a can of black beans that I've washed and drained.
Good.
And our dressing that I'm gonna put in here is a 1/4 cup of oil, Mom.
Yep. How about, do you need any help from me?
No, ma'am. All I have to do is this, the oil, or you can roll one of these.
Okay.
Lime juice, 2 limes.
Okie doke. I have to stick my fingers up in them and kind of break down that pulp, y'all, because I just don't have the strength anymore. And you girls that are around my age, y'all don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
Okie doke.
And I'm gonna give that a turn and see.
Okay. Oh!
Look how beautiful.
Great time of day. That looks delicious.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes. Mmm. Oh my gosh.
Does it need salt or anything?
Maybe a little bit more salt. Ooh. Yum. Roasting off your vegetables first just really makes those flavors pop.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.